Chef Athan. Today I'll be showing you how I make sweet potato casserole. First, you're going to need some sweet potatoes. First, you're going to puncture some holes into sweet potatoes. Next, you put in the sweet potatoes in the oven. I'm gonna bake it for 500. Put the timer to 1 hour and 20 minutes. After the sweet potatoes are out of the oven, we're going to cut them into pieces and we're going to put them in a bowl. Look how beautiful this looks. Now we're going to smash the sweet potatoes.
One hour later.
You have to mash it really good. Next, you're going to put 2 eggs. You're going to add a cup of brown sugar. I'm gonna be getting cinnamon. I'm gonna add nutmeg. You're gonna need 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Seen it? I'm going to use imitation rum. It smells like eggnog. I'm going to add a teaspoon of salt. I'm gonna add 2.5 ounces of melted butter. This smells so delicious. Now we're really gonna parade this. We're gonna mix it well. arts and crafts. Now you're gonna add some nuts. You can use pecans or walnuts. I'm gonna use pecans because I'm gonna use the walnuts for cranberry sauce. Add some around. Then you pour the sweet potato to the baking dish. Make sure to spread it evenly. Now you add more pecans. Now we're gonna add marshmallows. Voila! Our sweet potato casserole is ready to be baked in the oven. We're gonna put this at 400 degrees and for 25 minutes. And you put it in the oven. Voila! Our sweet potato casserole is ready. Now for the taste test.
Wow, Athan.
Yeah.
I don't even know how I'm supposed to be like.
This is Axel again coming out, and this is my mom coming out for the second time.
Second time. Mmm, quite tasty. Oh my goodness. It's sweet, delicious.
Yeah.
This is actually better than pumpkin pie, guys. It's the same, but I like to eat this.
Yes, it's better than pumpkin pie.
One of the best I call it one of the best desserts I ever ate.
Me too. But the best. The best, Athan. Thank you so much. I love it.
You're welcome.
Give me a hug. Hug. Thank you. Thank you.
So much. You're welcome.
Good, Nikki.
Make sure to like and subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a chef video. And also, today's shout out goes to Tia Jamie and Theo Douglas. Thank you for watching my videos. And also, the sweet potato casserole is perfect for Christmas and Thanksgiving because it's good to eat as a dessert for Thanksgiving because, it goes perfect and it's better than pumpkin pie, and I really enjoyed it, and peace!